There is a residual sticker that's on this metal plate, and another thing that can be noticed is a moisture exposure indicator that's set off. Now it's turned red on the back of the LCD panel. The seal of the phone is relatively tight when I first opened it, so it doesn't look like it has been opened too many times, but it looks like most of the screws are present, if not all of the screws are present. So we're going to base this repair on a failed LCD, untestable digitizer, and a moisture exposed phone. So we're going to go ahead and give an estimate on the parts, and then we'll give a quote for the customer.